Okay, this video will be talking about what you need to turbo your 4-liter, and let's get to it.
Don't stop, shit it, get it, deep high captains in it, steady, watch me navigate. Don't stop, shit it, get it, deep high captains in it, steady, watch me navigate.
Alright, so you would need some kind of fuel ignition controller. I have a ADM FIC6 from, I know, a year of 87 and up, 87 to 90. They don't make a plug and play for this motor because it's a remix. So I had to find each and every wire, and I put these connectors on here like that, so I could disconnect them from the wiring harness for the engine. You would need a oil feed line. Then you also need a oil drain line. I suggest you to go with a wideband. This is a unit from AEM. Works very well. Then you also need a blow-off valve. This one I just got a really cheap one. But a blow-off valve, go here. You would need this T kind of thing. It goes right in where your oil pressure sensor is at. That's where you don't get your oil feed. You would need gaskets for your turbo and the flange. You would need some kind of turbo exhaust manifold. This one's just a mock-up one. So I'll be building a new one here soon, and I'll film that for you guys. And you will need a turbo. If your turbo doesn't have a internal wastegate, go get you a external wastegate. And when I had this turbo on my stock 4-liter, I was getting boost about 2,500 RPMs, which is not bad for me. And this is a T3 T4 turbo, which means that you have a T4 compressor and you have a T3 exhaust. But Megasquirt actually has a actual plug and play standalone ECU for the remix engines, which is actually I much rather go that way if I had it redone, if I didn't bought this. But I'm already in there, and they run about the same. This is a piggyback. Some people like the piggyback, some people like the standalone. But other than that, there's really not much to them. To turbo your 4-liter. Oh yeah, you also need, I would say about 35-pound, maybe 32-pound injectors. You could get them from a Coyote 5-liter. Just make sure the connectors fit on there before you buy them. Right now I don't know much about fueling right now. This should cover it, but I could see getting around 400 horsepower. You would probably need a better pump, better gas pump, and you possibly need a what's it called? A fuel regulator that's going by boost. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for subscribing. I really appreciate it, and stay tuned for more madness. Okay, so that's the wrap on what you need to turbo your 4-liter. I had a couple requests of doing this video, so I'm going to put this out this week, and thank you. Yeah.